Good morning. Today is Monday, March 18, 2024, and here are the 10:30 a.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Sure 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 18, 2024, Monday. Here are the SL Shore 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Peona Trading Supply Corporation for Monday, March 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Monday, March 18, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.